And it can also change the people around you, so you probably shouldn't tell anyone. Otherwise, they'll start treating you differently.
Well, I certainly wouldn't want them treating me the same. Oh, just wait a second, and Mauricio will get the door for you.
I can open my own door.
There's no way you're driving a Rolls Royce.
And wearing a Chanel bag. You look like a completely different person. Could you show me how to do my hair like
Stacy!
that? Sorry.
So what, did you hit the lotto?
Actually, no. What happened is I found out... What? It's fine. It turns out I'm the heir to Ultra Beauty.
There's no way that's true. If it was, we'd have seen it on the news.
It's not public yet, but it will be at my 18th birthday party when my grandma announces it. Oh, and my party's not in Grimsville anymore. We rented out Giovanni's in Golden Ridge.
We should get to class, Charlie.
Just wait until school's over, Mauricio. Bye.
Wait, Charlie, am I still invited? To, come to your party? How? What? I've never been to a billionaire's party before. I want to check it out.
I'd love for you to come.
And here is the display.
What is this?
It's the lit up gold number display with balloons you wanted.
I said rose gold.
Oh, nobody gives a
Not gold. Does this look like rose gold to you?
I'm sorry. Can you give us a moment, please? Charlie, this is fine. I'm sure nobody is going to notice the difference.
I did. And I think my opinion's important considering this is my party. Everything's ruined and everyone's about to be here.
Dude, you're being dramatic. I think you need to just chill out.
Don't tell me to chill out, Eliza. I'm the heir to Ultra Beauty. Everything needs to be perfect.
We were supposed to have your party at your apartment with a fake cake. This is so much more than you could have dreamed of a few days ago. I don't know who you think you are or who you're becoming, but it's not cool.
If you don't want to support me, Eliza, then you don't need to be here.
Charlie.
No, it's fine. Charlie's right. I don't need to be here. You are more real in the virtual world. Happy birthday, Charlie.
Charlie, Eliza is your best friend. You cannot just let her leave.
Was my best friend. Now I get why rich people have trouble having friends. Everyone is jealous.
Charlie.
Oh, Grandma.
You look fabulous, darling. I'm so excited to let your friends know tonight and then the world tomorrow. Oh, wait a minute. I thought this was supposed to be rose gold. Excuse me. What is this? May I talk to you for a moment?
See? At least someone gets me.
You guys are great.
Charlie, this is the best party ever. I can't believe you have chocolate-covered strawberries.
Make sure to also check out the cheese fondue. It is to die for. To die for.
Adorable. I know.
Hey, Charlie. Do you have a sec?
Hey, this is my mom, and this is Jeremiah, the guy I was telling you about.
I thought you said he wasn't coming.
Well, he wasn't, but then he changed his mind.
When I found out who Charlie is, how could I say no, right?
Yeah. One sec. You told him?
It's not a big deal. Besides, Grandma's about to make the announcement right now.
Charlie, you were not supposed to say anything to anybody. Regardless, you should not be hanging out with someone who just wants to use you for your status.
It's fine, Mom. Stop trying to always tell me what to do. In case you forgot, I'm 18 now and a soon-to-be billionaire.
watch where you're going. Sorry.
Roger. Hey, Roger. You okay?
I got you something?
Oh, thanks. But I've never drank before.
Come on. You're 18 now. Just have a drink. No one will even know.
Actually, I'm think I'm good.
Estaba re feliz, me puse a bailar cueca a lo choro tiki 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 taca taca ta teque teque nueve raca.
What the heck? What was that?
I'm sorry. I thought you wanted me to kiss you.
No! You always have to ask. You can't just kiss someone. And I don't want that. I don't drink.
Hello, everyone. Thank you so much for coming out tonight. Now, let's see. Where is Charlie?
Jenny,
There she is.
everything all right?
I just want to take a moment to thank you all for coming tonight. Now, for those of you who don't know, I'm Genevieve Sinclair, the founder of Ultra Beauty, and more importantly, Charlie's grandmother. I'm planning on announcing my retirement soon. It wasn't an easy decision, but I'm very excited to say that as of tomorrow, the new heir of Ultra Beauty will be...
You should see this.
Oh my gosh, did you see this?
Charlie, what is going on? Honey, you were drinking? No. And why would you let the press take pictures of you kissing that boy?
I didn't. I'm sorry, but you have to believe me.
And my only condition was that you not cause any embarrassment to the family name. And you ruined it.
I didn't mean to. I'm so sorry. I just need some air. Hey, you set me up. You know I didn't drink or even want to kiss you. Why would you do that?
Isn't it obvious? Because of you, I'm famous. I've already gained 10,000 followers on Instagram. Look, come on. Great job, man.
That's the girl. Oh my gosh, it is.
My life is over.
Oh, nobody gives a shit.
Not necessarily. Before you ask, I work events part-time on weekends.
Guessing you saw the article. Today has been the worst day ever. I lost my best friend, my money, my reputation, just everything. And the worst part about it is, I didn't even want to kiss him or drink.
No. Don't have to explain. I heard your conversation with Jeremiah. Heartthrob.
Oh. I just wish everyone could know the truth about him. It's so frustrating.
They can.
Jeremiah, what was that?
I'm sorry. I thought you wanted me to kiss you.
No! You can't just kiss someone. You always have to ask. And I don't want that. I don't drink.
Luckily, I'm friends with the owner, so she let me see the surveillance footage.
that is wonderful news. I am so excited. Yes, I'll see you on Monday. Thank you so much. Ah, I got the job.
Mom, I'm so happy for you.
And that's not even the best part. Sweetheart, your name has officially
Emotional, damn it!
been cleared. Huh? He got what he deserved.
Thanks for always having my back, Mom. And I'm sorry that...
In all my years, I've never seen anyone turn a PR nightmare around so quickly. It appears to me that you really are a Sinclair. The empire is yours, Charlie, if you still want it.
You really said no. After seeing how much stress just one day of being a famous billionaire caused me, I couldn't imagine what a lifetime would be like. And I'd rather not know. You were right. Grass isn't always greener on the other side. I can't believe you turned it all down. Well, I wouldn't say all of it. Kept a couple things. Oh, by the way, this is Roger. He's pretty cool. If you ever need someone to walk your dog or fix your car or work your party or even clear your name, he's your guy. Is that right?